Hello, people. Today we have this little pistol. This is a lacryme tear gas pistol. Or more commonly known as a Augusta Schuler tear gas pistol. So it's not meant to actually fire a projectile, it's meant to shoot tear gas. At the bottom of the grip here, we see the company logo, two X's, and an M.33. So that's the model. It's an M33/6, meaning that it would accept 6 rounds stacked inside this grip, although there's no removable magazine. You just load it from the top. Now there's a video online, and I'll put it in the description below, of an individual who has one of these pistols and working ammunition, and he demonstrates it for you. So if you're interested, go check that out. This one, however, is missing a lot of parts. We're missing the safety selector here. And it looks like it's missing some screws. There's a screw missing here, and this one's probably not the original screw. This doesn't look like the original screw either. When we turn it around, we see that this side is also missing its original screw. This original screw is gone. But there's all supposed to be a little shelf riveted to that slide. Right there in the barrel, we see it's marked 53. But as you can see here, this barrel is very much open. So apparently there's a step right here, and then it continues. So if you were to put an object, stuff something down into this barrel, and then fire a blank, which could be easily manufactured, then one could turn this into a very lethal tool. Of course, that's not what this was meant for, but at the time, that's probably what people did, which caused policies or rules to be implemented in regards to tear gas guns or blank firing guns. So now they have to have restricted barrels. And there's a lot of different models that have come out to try to solve that problem. So the way this works really is you load your cartridges in here, and then when you pull the trigger, it pulls that whole slide to the rear. And there's a fixed firing pin that detonates the cartridge, and then all your gas goes down the barrel. But there's nothing in the function of this gun that allows that cartridge to pop out. You really have to have a tool, and you have to pull that spent cartridge out and let the new cartridge come up, but then it sits below the firing pin. And it only seats into place properly when you pull the trigger again. Again, if you want to see how this functions, go look at his video. It's interesting. It's a wonder why this was manufactured. It just seems like a very poor design.
Listen to me. I intentionally make this gun look that way because I'm smart.
But now that grip, the logo on the grip, it kind of looks like an M in the middle. But it's not. That's Augusta Schuler. And then the S means something else, but it is supposed to spell out ASS, which I think is a riot. Thanks for watching, people. Make it a great day.